Welcome to this Thrive Team Builder tutorial in which we're going to take a look at what actions we have to do in order to add a Thrive Leads opt-in form to one of our Thrive Team Builder teams. What we will have to do is create a lead group, and inside that lead group create a form that we want to add to our templates. Then go ahead and add that form to a widget area. And then in Thrive Team Builder, we're going to access a template of ours and add the widget area element to that template. Now let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and access the Thrive Leads dashboard by hovering over Thrive Dashboard here and accessing Thrive Leads so that we can start managing our forms. So as you can see, I have already created a lead group here. Now, in case you would want to create a new one, you can simply click on Add New here and start setting it up. However, I will use this one, so I'm going to click on it. And in this case, I want to add a widget type of opt-in form to my theme. So for that, I'm going to click on Add New Type of Opt-in Form and click on Widget here. Now to add a new form inside the widget type of opt-in forms, we're going to have to click on Add, and then we're going to be taken to this part of the dashboard where we will be able to add as many widget opt-in forms as we want. I'm going to click on Create Form and name it, and then click on Create Form. The first thing I'm going to manage for this form is its design, so I'm going to click on Edit Design here to open the Thrive editor because I want to start editing my form. So this pop-up will open from where you can choose a pre-designed template, or you can even access your saved templates in case you have saved any thus far. I'm going to go back to the opt-in templates tab and I'm going to choose one from here. Let's go for this one and click on choose template. And then of course you can start customizing each element from this form, or you can even add more elements by clicking on this plus sign and then simply dragging and dropping elements inside the opt-in form. And once you're done customizing the form as you wish, you can go ahead and click on Save Work to make sure that all of the modifications have been saved. And then we can go back to setting up the display settings of the lead group. So this is the widget form that we've just customized. I'm going to go back to the Thrive Leads dashboard, and this is my lead group. I'm going to go straight to the display settings option right here and make sure that the correct location is selected here depending on what you're trying to achieve. In my case, I want the form to be displayed on all of my posts and pages, so I'm going to leave it as it is and click on Save and Close. And then you can also open up the lead group and make sure that all of your widget forms are being displayed on desktop and on mobile if you want that as well. And you're all done here in the Thrive Leads dashboard. You can now go ahead and add this form to a widget area of your choice. And for that, we're going to hover over Appearance in the left sidebar of your WordPress admin dashboard and go to the Widgets section. Now this is the new way WordPress handles widget areas and widgets, and there are plugins that you can install in case you want to go back to the old widget areas aspect and functionalities, but we're going to work with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my Thrive lead group and the form that I've just customized into my default widget area. And for that, I'm gonna click on it and click on this plus sign and then look for the Thrive Leads widget. Once I find it, I'm going to click on it, which will make me choose the lead group in which the form is placed, the form that I want to be displayed on the page or post. So of course, I only have this lead group created. I'm gonna select it and then update everything. And now the form that we've just customized is placed inside the default widget area of my site. What comes next is to access Thrive Team Builder and edit one of my templates. For that, I'm going to hover over Thrive Dashboard again and go to Thrive Team Builder. I'm going to access the Templates section from the left sidebar of Thrive Team Builder, and then I'm going to look for the template that will be applied to the pages or posts where I want my form to show up. And from the list of available templates, choose the one in which you want to add your form. I'm gonna go for this one, which is a post template. And after adding the widget form into this template, all of my posts which have this template applied to them will contain that form. So I'm going to click on Edit to open the Thrive editor, and the template will open like so. I want to add the form to my sidebar section, because as you can see, this template also has a sidebar. And what I will do to achieve that is click on this plus sign to open the list of elements and look for the widget area element. Once you find it, you can simply grab it and drag and drop it onto the editor wherever you want to place your form. As I said, I want the form in my sidebar, which is why I've dragged and dropped the widget area element into the sidebar. This dropdown will open from where you will have to choose which widget area should be inserted in this, and of course we're gonna go for the one in which we've just added our form. In my case, that's the default widget area. And as simple as that, the template will now have the form created from Thrive Leads. Clicking on Save Work means that all of the pages or posts, in my case, that have this template applied to them will also contain this Thrive Leads form. Hopefully this was useful to you, and make sure to check out the rest of the articles and tutorials from our knowledge base in case you want more information about Thrive Team Builder or other Thrive Suite products.